Hi, my name is Susan, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Kerassential before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Kerassential is be careful with the website you're going to buy from because Kerassential is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Kerassential without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Kerassential and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Kerassential has helped thousands of users and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like tea tree oil, lavender oil, organic flaxseed oil, aloe vera, DL-alpha tocopherol, vitamin E, and more. These components work together to target the root cause of fungal infections and damaged nails, helping to eliminate fungus, strengthen nail health, and protect your skin and nails from future outbreaks. Whether you're dealing with brittle nails, discoloration, itchiness, or persistent foot and toenail fungus, Kerassential helps restore a clean, smooth, and healthy nail and skin surface. If you've been hiding your feet, embarrassed by nail damage, or struggling with fungal infections that keep coming back, Kerassential was made for you. No more relying on harsh treatments or prescription creams. This is a natural solution that works deep beneath the surface. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Kerassential, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Kerassential for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Kerassential to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to apply it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Kerassential has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Kerassential from, and remember I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Kerassential actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.